Let's dive deeper into this topic and add more depth to each method while introducing a sixth method to enhance your opportunities in the cryptocurrency world. After watching this video, you'll be able to generate over $1,000 per month, even if you're just a beginner. Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to break down 6 proven ways to make money with crypto, offering both clarity and insights so you can confidently enter the world of digital assets. 1. Airdrops and R-drops. One of the easiest entry points into crypto is through airdrops and R-drops, which don't require any upfront investment. For beginners, this is ideal as you get rewarded simply for interacting with blockchain projects. In an airdrop, you're given tokens in exchange for performing basic tasks like subscribing to social media channels, sharing posts, or interacting with a project's ecosystem. An R-drop, on the other hand, specifically rewards early adopters who joined a project before it gained widespread attention. But why do projects hand out free tokens? The answer is simple. Early-stage crypto projects rely heavily on attracting users and creating buzz. Airdrops are a form of marketing that brings in a user base and showcases the project to potential investors. Early engagement helps the project gain credibility and demonstrate community interest, which in turn makes the project more attractive to future backers. However, not every airdrop guarantees rewards. Some projects might fail to deliver, leaving users empty-handed despite active participation. To mitigate risk, do thorough research, investigate the project's investors, their listing plans, and the reputation of their partnerships. A well-backed project is more likely to fulfill its promises. This isn't foolproof, but it increases your chances of success. 2. Trading. Spot and futures. Trading is one of the most direct ways to earn money in crypto, but it comes with its complexities and risks. In essence, it involves buying low and selling high, but this is easier said than done. Beginners are often encouraged to start with spot trading, the buying or selling of assets for immediate delivery. Spot trading is simpler and less risky than futures trading, which involves contracts to buy or sell an asset at a future date and price. While spot trading only profits from price increases, futures trading allows you to profit from both rising and falling prices. But futures trading is not for the faint of heart. It requires deep knowledge of market behavior, technical analysis, and risk management. Without proper understanding, trading can turn into a loss-making endeavor. To succeed, you must study market trends, utilize both technical and fundamental analysis, and develop strategies to protect against losses. This method has the potential to earn you $1,000 in a day, but you could also lose it just as fast. Patience, knowledge, and self-discipline are crucial here. 3. Long-term investing. While trading focuses on short-term gains, long-term investing takes a more patient approach, aiming for consistent returns over months or years. This method is significantly less risky than trading and can yield substantial returns if you pick the right projects. Start by carefully researching different cryptocurrencies and assembling an investment portfolio that balances risk. Look at the development team, investors, market cap, and potential for growth. Diversification is key. Don't put all your money into one coin. For those with limited capital, the beauty of cryptocurrency is that you don't need thousands to start. You can begin investing with as little as $20. This method is perfect for beginners who are willing to wait and watch their investment grow steadily over time. 4. Crypto games. One of the most intriguing and accessible methods to earn money in crypto is through blockchain-based games. Crypto games allow players to earn tokens by completing tasks, participating in game mechanics, or simply by engaging with the app. Games like NotKegi, Hamster Combat, and Top Swap are examples of platforms where users earn tokens that can later be traded or sold for real money. The concept here is simple. The more you play, the more you earn. Some games even offer premium features or boosts that allow you to accumulate rewards faster. The beauty of this model is that you can start earning with minimal investment, sometimes even without spending a cent. However, the challenge is finding games that are legitimate and sustainable. There are plenty of scams in the crypto gaming space, so caution is advised. Say NFT creation and trading. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have exploded in popularity recently, and they present another lucrative way to make money in the crypto world. NFTs are digital assets representing ownership of unique items such as art, music, or virtual real estate. The value of an NFT is derived from its uniqueness and scarcity, making it a high-risk but high-reward investment. The simplest way to get involved is by creating your own NFTs. Artists, musicians, and content creators can tokenize their work and sell it on various NFT marketplaces. However, if you're not a creator, you can still profit by investing in or trading NFTs. Much like traditional art collecting, the value of NFTs can skyrocket based on their rarity and demand. It's crucial to keep in mind that while NFTs can sell for millions, like Jack Dorsey's first tweet or digital toilet paper from Charmin, not every NFT will fetch such a high price. This market is speculative, so be prepared for volatility. 6. Yield farming and staking. Yield farming and staking are methods of earning passive income in crypto, which involve lending your assets to a protocol in exchange for interest or rewards. Yield farming often involves providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges, while staking involves locking up your coins to support the network's operations and receiving rewards in return. Why is this method effective? Unlike trading, yield farming and staking are generally lower risk. You are not speculating on the price. Instead, you're earning a consistent yield for participating in the ecosystem. However, like any investment, there are risks involved. Some protocols can be hacked, and you could lose your staked tokens. It's important to research the protocols thoroughly before committing your assets. Crypto offers diverse ways to make money, from low-risk methods like airdrops and staking to high-risk but high-reward strategies like trading and NFT investing. The key is to find what suits your risk tolerance and time commitment. If you want to learn more and explore additional opportunities, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful and want to stay updated on the latest crypto trends. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you'll never miss out on new strategies, expert insights, or the hottest crypto opportunities. Also, if you're ready to start trading and investing, it's essential to choose the right platform. Here are some of the best exchanges in the world that I personally recommend for seamless trading experiences, low fees, and top security. Binance. Ideal for both beginners and experienced traders with a wide variety of coins. Coinbase, known for its user-friendly interface, perfect for those new to crypto. Kraken offers great tools for technical traders and advanced security features. Bybit, excellent for futures trading with competitive fees and features. KuCoin provides access to a large number of altcoins and has solid staking options. Sign up through the links in the description to get started, and you'll often get exclusive bonuses or trading discounts.